Guys, it finally happened. The Amazon gurus, they got caught. The Federal Trade Commission said, I had enough. They want 56 million. They had enough. They saw the TikToks. They were tired of scrolling through Facebook and Instagram and getting hit with all the ads talking about passive income this, passive income that. We're going to talk about what specifically happened here. And I think it's important that the Amazon community that, I'm a part of addresses this. I see a lot of people outside the Amazon community. Shout out CoffeeZilla, shout out Spencer Cornelius, and a few other people address these issues. But why not bring this into the Amazon community? Because people come to us to learn, and it's important to know who's full of shit, what opportunities are likely to be full of shit. People got to acknowledge when they're full of shit, and how to know when people are real. And I'll tell you guys how to differentiate like some key indicators, of being full of shit or not. It's actually really surprising how many people can be fooled by some of these claims. But let's talk about what happened real quick. Federal Trade Commission, they want 56 million. They want $2.6 million in refunds to the clients, customers. And this is a combination of things. But I think what happened here was Amazon automation was like the one thing that was promised a guaranteed return on investment that Kevin was promising people. With coaching programs, with courses, you can tell people, hey, you can make 5 figures a month, 6 figures a month. And if they don't get results, it's like, okay, you just didn't take effort, which is true. Maybe they just didn't take the effort. Maybe the course is good, but the person didn't actually go through it. So there's always that fallback. But with Amazon automation, the thing is, somebody's supposed to get a return on their investment. So with these Amazon automation packages, most of the time they were between 25 and 30,000. They were either drop shipping based or private label based, meaning we'll set up a done for you. You don't have to worry about anything. There is some done with you models, but mainly done for you. Don't have to worry about anything. 100% set up. And when you invest 30,000 and you don't get 30,000 back, that's a problem. And that is probably what happened here. And that was probably what led to the cascade of accuses, whatever they're called, cascade of events that led to Kevin David being sued. So he's being sued not only for Amazon automation, but also for coaching and over promising with the words passive income, automation, stuff like that. You can read the whole article at FTC.gov. And yeah, this is crazy. So I want to address this, and I want to talk about my experience with Amazon automation, who to trust in this space. I'm going to name some Amazon sellers who are legitimately really good, and they put up good numbers and are profitable. At least I think they're profitable. Who knows? At the end of the day, all these people could be fake gurus, but I'll list some of them as well. And yeah. So let's dive into this. So my experience with Amazon automation, I actually, being in the space, I host Miami Sellers Conference. I get the top Amazon sellers in the space to come together. And I actually launched my own Amazon automation program was it last year? Early 2021. And I had a good source for books, and I took about $90,000 from my following. I did a super cheap automation program. So I took $3,000 from people. With that $3,000, they got a pallet of books. And everybody made their money back because some of the people didn't make a profit. Some of the people did, but I refunded everyone who didn't make a profit. And yeah, so that was that. And it wasn't the best idea on my part. I was seeing that Amazon automation was popping off. Everyone was doing it. I had a good source for books, and I tried doing Amazon automation for my audience, and it didn't work. And I see a lot of people doing this, a lot of the Amazon community, a lot of people that aren't even part of the Amazon community, but sell to the Amazon community. I don't like it when people sell to the Amazon community, but they're not really part of the Amazon community. It just rubs me the wrong way. At least be part of the Amazon community if you're going to try and, monetize Amazon sellers. And that's what a lot of these people are doing. They're coming in and they're not actually part of the Amazon community. They're part of other communities coming in and fucking a lot of things up. Okay. So a lot of people were trying to do Amazon automation last year. Very few programs are legit. There are some legit programs I've heard. I don't know. I just don't know if they're actually legit or not, but I've heard there are a few programs that might be legit. And it's not a completely foreign idea that Amazon automation could work. You could pay somebody $30,000 and they could successfully set up a drop shipping store for you or a private label product. It's completely feasible. I made a lot of my clients a profit when they invested 3 to 5,000 in me, but a lot of them lost money too. And I had to pull out of my pocket. It was one of the biggest mistakes I made in my business life so far because I had to fork out like $25,000 of my own money to make up for my mistakes. And so, yeah, there's no free lunch. This shit is hard. Selling on Amazon is hard. It works. And that's the reason why it works. Like the better you get at it, there's a barrier to entry. And when you get good at finding good, profitable deals, nobody else can compete because this shit's hard, and get over it and just fucking learn how to do it. If you guys want to learn, by the way, romer.biz/Discord. I just dropped a Discord free, and we'll network in there about how to sell on Amazon. So who can you trust? I made a list of the top Amazon sellers that I think you should trust. And these are people, I'm not talking about people who teach Amazon. I'm talking about sellers who are actually like the top. There's a lot of people that teach Amazon that have very little Amazon sales. I'm not talking about those people. And so I have 3 people that I will mention who I really respect. And if you do want to learn how to sell on Amazon, go look at what these guys are doing because they've been in the space for years. Scott Needham. He's number 6. He was number 6 seller on Amazon at one point. Out of all the Amazon sellers, he was top 6. He does not have an Amazon automation program. He is spending his time and money on getting more inventory, building software for Amazon sellers. And as of right now, he sells 0 information to the community. He doesn't make any money selling trainings or anything like that, which is usually what happens when you're running a big business. You don't have time to teach people. Just how it is. Amazon Lit, another one. Now, Amazon Lit does teach people, but they are also legit. I've seen them in person. They put up big numbers. Also, Watch Me Amazon. He also teaches people, and he's legit as well. So those are 3 sources. Scott Needham does have free content, by the way, so you can go check out his free content. All these guys do on YouTube. So those are like 3 legitimate, like really big Amazon sellers who are putting up numbers. So like you guys are seeing all these people when you scroll on TikTok and Facebook ads saying this and that. And, at the end of the day, like if you want to get better at a skill, learn from the best. Look at what they're doing. Look at what they're doing and model them. I'm so inspired by these guys because they're putting up, huge numbers and it's nice to see real people in the game. Okay. But there is a lot of bullshit out there. And so fucking watch out for it, guys. Another thing is like, look for the people that are teaching Amazon. Make sure that they're not just selling you a dream. If they're always selling you a dream and they're not actually giving back, if you can't talk to them one-on-one, I mean, maybe they have a huge following, so maybe talking to them one-on-one's not feasible, but at least they're doing lives. They have a Discord. They have community that they go to live events. You could see them in person. They show their face. They're not hiding behind screens. Those are a good indicator that the person's legit. And if you want to see some legit sellers, go to miamisellersconference.com. Get your tickets for Miami. This is a plug. I didn't even think I was going to plug it, but I just plugged it. It's literally all those people I just said will be at the event, except for Watch Me Amazon. Everyone DM Watch Me Amazon. Tell him to get his ass there. Want to get him in there. But I just feel like the Amazon community should address this as a whole. It's just fucked that this shit happens. And Amazon is a great opportunity. but it's a lot of work, guys. It's definitely fucking real, but a lot of work. If anyone tells you it's risk free, they're full of shit. Not risk free. You got to pay money for inventory. You have to invest time to learn. So just be careful who you're following. I'm definitely like the most real, legit, big baller Amazon seller there is. I'm just kidding. Those guys I just mentioned are, and I'm still young and I'm catching up to them, and I'll eventually catch some of them, maybe all of them. Who knows? Not my goal to have the biggest Amazon business ever. I just want to fucking travel the world and dance. That's what I want to do at the end of the day. I just want the freedom. I just want to learn Spanish, travel the world, and do the shit that I want to do. And that's why I sell on Amazon. And that's why I'm so passionate about it. But you see motherfuckers like this coming in, over promising, using words like risk free, using words like automation. Okay, if it's automation, $30,000 automation, but it should come back to you as more. Using words like passive income for Amazon. Fucking come on, guys. Not passive income. And people, not just this guy, there's other people that do this too. Why the fuck would you say passive income if it's not passive income? Everybody knows, man. And there are a few people I could call out, but I think that it's a maturity thing too. And I've definitely, if you guys are on my email list, if you guys seen my Facebook ads, I've walked the line. I'll be honest. I've walked the line about selling the dream, because it does excite me. And there's a lot of opportunity, and it is better than working a job, but there's a lot of risk too. There's fucking months where you might lose money. You will lose money some months. And so, I think it's a maturity thing. I think a lot of people, I think some people are just psychopaths. I'm not going to say Kevin David's a psychopath, but I think a lot of people just don't give a fuck. But then there's a maturity thing where, people are just trying to make it on social media, and they have copywriters working for them, and they kind of get like indoctrinated in this community of internet marketing. And then before they know it, they're saying words like passive income when they work their ass off to build their Amazon business. So they're lying through their teeth. They know it's not passive income. They know it's not risk-free. Why the fuck are you saying that, dude? All right, that's it, guys. If you like this content, hit the like button for the algorithm, boost my channel, boost my ego, and see you guys in the Discord if you want to chat in there. And yeah, much love. Peace out, guys.